In this video, I'm going to explain how to get the traveling merchant or the traveling shop in Grow a Garden in Roblox. Now, a lot of you have been seeing comments all over social media, online, in the comments, etc., where you've been asking how to get the traveling merchant, how to get the traveling shop, etc. So let me tell you right now. Now, the traveling shop or the traveling merchant was actually a part of the Easter update. And right now, the update is not here anymore. As you can see, the Easter island over here in the middle of our island is gone, and there's now this angry, hungry plant. And if you actually wanted to get it, it was located over here next to the seed shop. However, it got removed with this update. So right now, there is no traveling shop, no traveling merchant present in the game. So you'll have to wait for a new update when they add it again, if they do, because that will be the only way of actually getting it. Now, as I said, it was just a part of update. Currently, there's no way of actually accessing it again in the game. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm sorry to kind of disappoint you, but that's just how it is. So you can stop searching online how to get it. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.